Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights of what's going on, even with the Senzo Meyiwa case. How Brigadier Kininda is actually connected to Khan's, Feroz Khan's case with Brigadier Petle. A cold case, dead case, guys. Like how umuntu eklaba ngepain esifubeni, and then you report them. And then Andrea Johnson, he puts the case under the carpet, and then the case it's called a cold case. And then Madlanga, we first hear about it again, we just like, hey, well, something that this happened years ago and nothing was done about it. Guess who's involved in that cold case? I'm just like, guys, South Africa. The same person is from Abosh for defeating the ends of justice, Brigadier Bongani Kininda. I'm like, that's simple. There's no one else who does cold cases. Cold, guys. How is Senzo Meyiwa's case cold? How is this case of Brigadier Petle and General Feroz Khan eligibility? You are going to call me a commander. Wow. Guys, how is this a cold case? Wow, guys. Wow. Goba Ubano Munyu, head of that department. Only one person has ever been mentioned. Brigadier Bongani Kininda. I'm like, is a solve the case. But I guess with Madlanga, we always see results. I just love Madlanga, guys. But this thing of always doing stuff, but there's no solution. Those are crazy things. Only Madlanga will see solutions. No one has told us even what's going on with him. You know? But this that they are beyond anything I've heard of. I'm just like Obuto Jaldo. You are going to call me a commander. Wow. I want to Brigadier Petle, they've seen it all. At work. I want to make sure. At work, you've been abused and misused. They've seen it all. I'm like, oh, General Khan, guys, the stuff that they've done, all they're still doing even. And things that are still gonna come out about them, you just like, I'm not shocked anymore. I know exactly who you are, actually. General Khan, guys, is in another level. While we are at it, okay, another one uyakhumbula ngithi uKelly Khumalo izinto ayezenza lo asisi futhi guys naye ubuke naye lo. I don't know how she's done it, and then I don't know how she sleeps. She's the same person owathi no manje vele ngangingasamfuna uSenzo Meyiwa from 2013 already, actually from like 2012. Brigadier Kininda came up with those stories again there at courts. I'm like, uzithatha lezi zinto, guys. But my fairy tale Brigadier Kininda is so good with those things, that guy. He came up with the story, so yeah, Kelly Khumalo, there was a phone yakhe eyalahleka at the back of the couch. Guys, those stories, they don't exist. The only story that exists is when Kelly Khumalo went to Benmore at Vodacom. Shintsha ama-SIM card. Angazi wayefuna ukubona amapholisi kaSenzo, what was going on there, but this has to do with money. But what wrong things are those? Immediately, guys, on Monday, the following Monday, after the incident, you go, instead of just supporting this family with following Ganya, when you are the one that's invited Senzo Meyiwa, don't forget that every time, guys. Today, Kelly Khumalo and her mother, Untomzodo, and her sister, Uzadile Khumalo Gumede, they cannot even face the Meyiwas. It's like, whatever, we don't care. So what? This is when Senzo's father was like, I can't afford to kill him, guys. It was understandable because remember, after the SIM card, right? eshintsha ama-SIM card efaka in Senzo Meyiwa's phone. Angazi what was she trying to see there. She refused when the Meyiwas came on Monday to give them the cars. I remember there was I think there was a BM X5 there. Yasenzo Meyiwa. Sekufike ubaba kaSenzo Meyiwa ngakhohlwa and other relatives. I know the cousin was also there. Senzo Meyiwa's cousin. Bese kuzoba ubaba wakhe and Sifiso Meyiwa. Usisi engasafuni ney'moto. Efela ukuthi nama entitled. Njengoba sasa entitled namanje. She's still entitled. It's just like anginandaba. But I'm like, guys, ungaze uzwenze kanjalo so that your career is done. Why would you do that? She refused. The only time she gave them those cars, it was 2 cars. Just the other second car, actually, they don't mention it so much. What kind of a car was it? Senzo Meyiwa's father ended up going to the police to say, "Ntombazane lo engasafuni le moto ngicela nincedeni. Silandeni imoto phela." Nangusis. During the week, just before the funeral, Senzo Meyiwa's father was like, "No, actually, angimfuni ungcwabeni wengane yami lo. Umuntu onjani lo?" That's when they saw exactly who she is. But my plea has been over the years. Almost every 3 months, I repeat the same thing. Why can't she just say, "Okay, Likhumalo," to the Meyiwas, "I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. It's nothing. I will touch next from you." Genuinely so. "I'm sorry. Yebo, I'm the one that's invited him to Foster Rise." That's why sometimes I even say, chances are this was premeditated. Sometimes it looks like that, guys. It's like umntana abantu nasenimenzela uzungu uwafika lo wamdubulayo. Lo saprocesswa namanje naye futhi loyo. To this day, it's going to be 12 years on the 26th of October this year or 2026. You can't just say, "I'm sorry, this is what happened." So sometimes you just feel like, was it premeditated? It's confusing because abantu abafuna ukukhuluma iqiniso. Nini futhi ubrigadier yakhe Linda made us believe, labo made believe bakhe made us believe ukuthi then he'll be gaslighting us. I don't know why South Africans believe that there were no intruders. Like, really, guys? Wasenza make believe yakhe futhi again. Yokuthi no, actually, vele ukhelwa emzonda uSenzo. Oh, guys. Were you like hanging around with them in 2012 and 2013? This couple uyazi vele ukuthi Kelly Khumalo wayebhalela usisi wakhe angimfuni. So basically it is premeditated. Guys, there are like so many stories. Oh my gosh, Zaza Putilo, who's defeating the ends of justice. Mina lo muntu futhi angazi ukuthi wayengaka kuMadlanga. Ubrigadier Bongani Kinende aboshwe. Cause like honestly, this is like the worst case. And ngifila ukuthi uyeke kakhulu. You know those type of people who go around telling people, "I'm untouchable." So ngenzani? Ngazana namaphoyisa amakhulu mina la nginikeza umsebenzi. uShadrack Sibiya, uJoseph, uGeneral. Nomunye futhi naye loyo. I'm just like, babekile umkhusu. When are they gonna arrest them? Those are actually the people that they must arrest, in fact. And then into kaBrigadier Ndlovu futhi naye. Don't you think ukuthi it's almost the same as generally Sindile Mfazi? People, they're not necessarily futhi whistleblowers, but they're just doing their job at work, right? But banama enemies at work, you just like, I'm sure you saw General Mfazi's wife was also talking in Newsroom Africa. Literally in the car. I'm like, Kota guys. Because already I think they had threatened him. So into yakhe ngifuna ukuyifanisa noNdlovu. uNdlovu who was in the Senzo Meyiwa case, I'm sure you've heard of him. Ndlovu was also poisoned, guys. Inkosikazi yakhe was pop out when she was coming out of a mall. Because she had the documents we needed for the Senzo Meyiwa case. So uyabona ukuthi kuba kanjani no-Donald Mfazi ke, it was the same thing. They were like, okay, khona COVID, stuff is happening, you know what? When to process something. Now uzohamba kanje ngoba abanye bahambayo. Guys, very kube kuningi. And they always had work on you trying to be a better person when this isn't right. Because sometimes, guys, not even sometimes, most people that don't want to be involved in rogue things. They trying so hard to be better people. They just like when I so come sell a logo. You know what I said yesterday about the general Mfazi's situation or case? If you know which way and just hand yourself over. That's just my thing. Just hand yourself over, guys. Brigadier Gelinda, guys, has been implicated in how many things in this case, Kasenzo Meyiwa? Over 10 people are gone in this case. Abanye mysteriously so. Next door naga Kelly Khumalo. Gwagu poison foot nakhona. Umuntu okhona just passed on ngelo feel uthi mara. Like what has just happened? There's quite a few people actually in this case ofile ukuthi kwenzakalani. Including Nauma Penalo busy Shayana Nundanzi. What is the story there? So it's like shut up, Hamba. Tool. Guys, what crazy things are those things? Yeah, so basically, I just wanted to touch base again on Senzo Meyiwa because I'm just like, when are things gonna get better in this case, guys? When is the Meyiwas going to find justice for Umtanab? Or why if you can when you just you don't have gigs anymore because you are busy messing up with the Meyiwas. Ngishukeli Khumalo at that time. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.